Wait,
Hi.
yeah.
Hi, my name is Catalina.
And my name is Taylor.
And today we're going to talk about one of the countries that we did some
Extra research on.
exactly. We picked French because French is one of what we're learning. We're learning to speak French, and we have this goal of going to live there at some point in our lives.
Yeah, and we just find France really interesting because there's so many different things to learn about it.
So now we're just going to give you some facts about it. For example, Taylor.
Right, so for example, they have like hundreds of different kinds of cheeses, like all over the place, and all these crazy ones that you've never even heard of.
Also, each region of France exports something through all of France. For example, there's this region that exports champagne. So the name of the region is like something like Champouche.
I'm pretty sure it's just called champagne.
It's really cool like that. Every region has something, and just the whole world benefits from it.
Right, it's very cool. And as for the schools, their grades kind of go backwards from ours. So premier, which kind of means first, is actually seniors.
So right now it's our senior year, their premier year. We're all together in this.
Right.
Also in schools, what we've learned from exchange students that we've talked to is that they have to take like 10 courses each year. They have a lot of school. Yeah, and they have Saturday school too, but that's cool because they like it, it makes them smarter, they are committed to it.
It's very cool, and also for, we always eat snacks throughout the day and all these different kinds of meals, but they only eat 3 meals a day, and they have a full meal with all these different kinds of things in it, but no snacks.
Yeah, so maybe that's why American people are obese and French people are skinny like no other.
Yeah, and they're a little bit more open to different kinds of foods, like we're not.
Exactly. And so, okay, another thing about France is the people there are really friendly. So the stereotypes that we all hear, like French people are mean and they don't care about Americans and they hate Americans, is completely not true. We recently went to France and we found out that they're so friendly and they try to help you with everything, and they're just like, they're awesome people.
Yeah, they're really cool. Like, and people think that they just eat snails all the time, but it's really not that way. They don't just eat snails and frog legs. They have many different types of meals that are actually pretty cool.
They're delicious. One of my favorites is steak and free, which is steak and fries, but that's just like French fries.
Right, and we also have foods that we know of, like quiche. That's actually French, and it's just
amazing.
Awesome, and it's good, and it's a French word.
Also, one of the amazing things that French has in food is the tarts, like the desserts and things like that. French people are known for like desserts, and it's just so good.
And there's so many different kinds.
I know.
So good.
You can see stores full of like desserts and pastries and everything like that. Another thing that we found really interesting about France is that when you're in Paris, one of the most touristic cities in the world, everybody there has like a metro pass, so not a lot of people take taxis and like they have cars. That's really cool.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for listening.
Thank you.